Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. Cash is moving up, and we're still in the trade for the past 4 days, and I still believe we may get a push to the upside. And as far as I'm concerned, this is a very good, lovely move. And from our trade, we entered it down at 4.2, so we are still up nearly 8.7% at the moment. So 8.7 in 4 days is pretty good. That sounds like $80 out of $1,000 invested. And of course, if you're doing futures, that's a whole different, profit right there. So basically, this now, to me, what I'm going to say is that you do have this pattern that has been broken out. So I may say that you have to take the trend line and place the trend line from the top there to the bottom right here. And you may be looking at CAS moving up to this technical target. So we're talking about another move. If it does come down to 4.5 for the retest again, we may be looking at 9.86%. Now, not only put 9.96%, but basically from the time we're trading this one, for us it's going to be nearly a 17% win to the upside. So that's the private one. That's just where we're trading for the paid version of it. It's super cheap. If you want to know, message me on Twitter, and I'm gonna give you the link, invitation and stuff for the private part of it. Now, this is all, okay? I don't have anything else to say. I've talked about the CAS in the last 2 videos, and all I can say is another overview is that you have a very strong trend line. So you have this touch here, move up, one touch there, and move up, a touch here, a move up, and you have this touch here. So we basically can be looking for another move to the upside. And as far as the RSI is concerned, you do have the RSI, which has a little bit of that room to still climb up to the overbought level and then finally get rejected. So be very, very careful at one point, and that is this resistance where you have one resistance down, second resistance down, here down, and it makes sense to just come here again, maybe touch it again, and then finally drop down, and you can buy again here. So if you do see something like that you come here, you may actually try to sell it over there, okay, sell it over here, and probably comes down, place another buying bid, and cash it out over there. But I told you, next month, by the end of next month in November, you have a very, very big decision coming for CAS. So either you really pop down finally, and that's going to be a very, very big drop, okay, if you do pop down like this, because this is a trend line that has been maintained for a long time. Look at that trend line, okay? And if you finally just come and pop like this, you may be looking to drop very, very badly. Now, the best part, the best scenario is that you do have this pattern here, just cross it and backtest and move up. And my personal feeling says we may actually see it pushing up like this instead of just going to the downside. I don't know why, but I just have that feeling now. And that's it for this CAS update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.